How to manage who can see your status on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can see your status on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points. Click on it and then just click settings, and after that here you will find account and then click privacy, and as you see here you will find this one here, status. Just click on it, and here all you need to do, just select anything you want. If you want only your contact can see your status, just select first one and you can manage here anything. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.